Good morning, the students of class 8B. This is your class teacher, Mr. D.K. Chetri. Today, I'll be starting a new chapter that is transport of water and minerals and food in plants. So, to begin with lesson, let us start with photosynthesis. So, let us understand what is photosynthesis. Photo means light, synthesis means splitting. So, splitting of light is known as photosynthesis. We all know that green plants make their own food by a process known as photosynthesis. What they do is they use carbon dioxide and water to make their food. Carbon dioxide from the atmosphere enters the leaves through stomata. Water and minerals are absorbed from the soil by the roots. This water needs to be carried to the leaves and other parts of the plant, right? So we have the equation over here. We have carbon dioxide and water in presence of sunlight, glucose, that is sugar, and oxygen. This particular thing has to be carried to different parts of the plant. So for that, these sugars are to be then sent to root, stem, leaves, fruits, flowers and seeds. That is to be sent to different parts of the plant. So how do we send it? You need some method, that is transportation. Alright. So we have that transport system in plants also. There are two transport system in plant. One that transport water and minerals and roots to other parts. These vessels are called, any guess? Yes, that is xylem. I marked dot dot over there. It's a fill in the blanks for you. Next, another vessel that transport sugar and amino acids made in leaves to other parts of plant. These are called phloem vessels. You can see in this diagram marked in red water and minerals taken up by roots, right? And blue, that is sugar made by photosynthesis, right? So uptake of water in xylem is marked in red, transport of food in phloem is marked in blue. So for that, we need transportation. So transportation is a vital process in plants. Trees transport all the nutrients and water it needs for survival from its roots to the tips of the leaves. In case of transportation in plants, the biggest problem or constraint is water, as it ends up being a limiting factor in growth. To overcome this problem, trees and other plants have the perfect system for the absorption and translocation of water. Right? So this is the network that we have. So plants contain a vast network. Alright? So which consists of xylem and phloem. We have already done that. This is more like the circulatory system that transports food throughout the human body. Similarly to the circulatory system, look at this over here in this diagram. To the circulatory system in humans, the xylem carries water, dissolved minerals from root to the leaf, and phloem, food prepared by leaf, is transported. Alright? Phloem tissue extend toward the plant. This conducting tissue originates from roots and move up through the trunks of trees. Later, they branch off into the branches and then branching even further into every leaf like spider webs. It looks like spider webs. Now, the main thing is that what we have learned today is about transportation. We have learned about vascular, very important tissues, that is plant tissues, conducting tissues, that is xylem and phloem. We have also learned about the functions of xylem and phloem. Alright, so this is all we are going to learn for today. Thank you.